All right, today we're diving into a new app that's got a pretty bold promise to get rid of all the clutter and manage every single routine you have. It's called Cronologix.
So let me just start by asking you a question. Go ahead, take a look at your phone. How many different timer apps do you actually have on there? I mean, you've probably got one for workouts, another one for studying, maybe one just for the kitchen. It adds up, right?
And this is the problem, isn't it? We're all living with this kind of app overload. You get a Pomodoro timer to help you focus, a HIIT timer for exercise, a special app for meditation, and of course the basic timer that came with your phone. Each one does just one little thing.
And the result of all that? Well, you're left with a bunch of apps that are totally clunky and disconnected. They don't talk to each other. So you're constantly jumping between them, setting them up, and having to physically poke at your phone when you're probably busy doing something else. It's just a constant drain.
Okay, so this is where Cronologix comes in. The whole idea is to take that mess of apps and replace it with one single powerful platform that can handle pretty much any routine you can think of.
And their tagline really says it all. It's not just about having one app. It's about creating these guided workflows that, and this is the important part, run themselves. The whole goal is to set it and forget it, so you can focus on what you're actually doing, not the timer.
So what does a workflow actually look like? Well, let's take a simple HIIT workout. You can see it here. It starts, then it repeats a cycle of 30 seconds of work and 15 seconds of rest, and it does that 5 times. It's super visual, simple, and once you hit go, it's completely automated. And because it just runs on its own, you can finally go hands-free when it really matters. I mean, imagine you're cooking, your hands are a mess, and your phone just tells you, flip the steak now. Or you're deep into a workout and you just hear the cues for rest and go without ever having to glance at a screen. Now that's useful. So how does it actually do all this? Well, the entire system is built on this really simple but really powerful foundation of just 4 core building blocks. And here they are. You've got timers for duration, counters for reps, prompts for spoken instructions, and loops for repetition. That's it. By just combining these 4 things, you can build basically any routine you can imagine. You could create a complex study session, right? Loop a 45-minute timer with a 15-minute rest timer, and after 2 loops, have a prompt that says time for a longer break. It's kind of like programming your own discipline.
But here's the thing. You don't have to build it all from scratch. The app is going to come loaded with a huge library of pre-built templates for all kinds of stuff.
For instance, if you need to get some serious work done, boom, there's a classic Pomodoro template ready to go.
Or maybe you want to get a quick, intense workout in. Yep, you can just fire up a HIIT template that'll guide you through the whole thing.
If you're trying to de-stress, a guided body scan meditation is literally just a tap away. And it's not just for work and wellness. For the kitchen, there's a step-by-step workflow to help you cook the perfect steak, timing every single step. And for students, there are these optimized deep study sessions designed to help you crush your exams. And honestly, this is just scratching the surface of what's available.
So the entire library has 30 templates designed by experts. You get 5 of the most popular ones like Pomodoro and Tabata for free. And then another 25 are available in the Pro version.
Okay, so let's get down to it. Let's break down what you actually get for free and how you can get started.
You know, the free version is actually really generous. On top of those free templates, you can build and save up to 3 of your own completely custom workflows from scratch. For most people, that's probably enough to cover your main routines for work, fitness, and maybe a personal project. Now, for those of you who want to go all in, Cronologix Pro unlocks everything. You get unlimited custom workflows, the full template library, you can check your run history, and this is a really cool feature, cloud sync and backup using your own Google Drive.
And when can you get it? Well, mark your calendars. The official launch for both iOS and Android is planned for the first quarter of 2026.
In the end, it all comes back to this one idea, giving you the tools you need to automate your routines exactly how you want them so you can nail them perfectly every single time.
And that really brings us to the final question for you to think about. When you look at your own day, your morning routine, your work, your workout, how you wind down at night, what's the one routine you would automate first?